Smart Fabric version 3 is an antibacterial, anti-mold coating or repellent. And you can get it in a few sizes: 250 milliliter, 500 milliliter, 1 liter, and 5 liters. A 500 milliliter bottle is $44.95. Again, this is a spray coating for upholstery. You can use it for vehicle interiors. You can use it for tents. You can use it for cars' soft tops, sails, any type of fabric. If you're protecting new material, give it a light clean and a vac. If you're protecting material that has been used and abused, you want to clean as thoroughly as you can. That all starts with a vac. There are a few chemicals I like to use. The carpet cleaner here, upholstery cleaner from 3D. We also have our spot clean from Turtle Wax, and also Kraken from Phoenix EOD. One of just many products you can use to pre-treat and then also spot clean carpeting, floor mats, canvas tops, any type of material. To ensure a really deep clean, you can incorporate a steamer into the process. You can spot clean and then follow up with your extractor. It really doesn't matter. Just do the best you can to clean the material before protecting it. You can also use a dual action polisher with a fabric brush attachment, such as the one I'm using here. The most important part before protecting is to dry it and vac up as much moisture as possible, and take as much time as you need to let the material air dry if needed. Time to grab Fabric Smart and put a heavy layering with overlapping layers and sprays of the product onto the fabric. You don't want to soak it, but you want to make sure there's enough of the coating to reach every fiber of that carpet or floor mat. Best conditions to apply the coating: 5 degrees Celsius or higher, or 42 degrees Fahrenheit and higher. And make sure you're applying this in a well-ventilated area. I'll spray the product on right before we leave, open up a window in the shop, and let it cure overnight. And that's exactly what we're going to do here. When we come in the next morning, the material is protected. The nice thing, it has a subtle natural feel to it. It doesn't feel crystallized or really rough textured. Then let me show you how it can keep spills and moisture at bay, keep them away from the fibers to keep them from staining the material. You let a lot of moisture soak into floor mats and carpeting for a long period of time. It can create mold and mildew, and this coating also fights that as well. So here we have some water. It keeps it up on top of the mat to be cleaned off. You can easily, if you spill something on your floor mats or carpeting or your seats, you can easily just blow it off with forced air from there. That was just plain water. How about iced tea? Tea can stain clothing and teeth. It can definitely stain a carpet or floor mat if it's spilled onto it and left soak into the material. This coating keeps it at bay, so you can easily mop it up or blow it away or dump it off the mat, whatever you need to do to remove it from the fibers. The product is easy to use. Quick tip, manage overspray. Keep an eye on what you're spraying and its surrounding areas. I would recommend, the price is right there, maybe a little on the high side, but the product does what advertises. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.